Yo guys, you're here at Stacy with Kit, and recently we hit 500 subscribers. Woo! That is a massive thank you to you guys. I mean, I've just been winging it, you know, just kind of putting random stuff out there and stuff. Thank you so much. And if any of you watched my last Q&A, I said if or when I ever got to 500 subs, I'll do another one. So here we are. Let's jump right in. How many languages do you speak? The truth is, I only speak one, which is English. Why did I have to think about that? I understand some Yoruba, which is a language they speak in Nigeria, because my family are from Nigeria. And the only reason I understand a bit of that is because when they were angry, that's when they would speak it to me. I really would like to learn Japanese though. I think the Japanese culture is just very fascinating. And the main reason I want to learn it is because I really got into anime when I was younger. So yeah, if you're into anime, let me know by giving this video a lovely big thumbs up. Who was your first girlfriend? So my first girlfriend was this lovely sweet girl called Bryony. I grew up with in Slough. We went to the same school, and yeah, we got together when I was about 15, 16. We were both about 15, 16, and we were together for about a year, and then I went to boarding school. So, and I mean, I'd had like school girlfriends, like, you know, when you're on the playground and you're like,
hey, do you wanna be my girlfriend?
You know, which just basically means that you hold hands and you play kiss chase at break time. That was basically what that meant. But yeah, Bryony was my first everything. How big is your dick? Well, how long is a piece of string? I think I regret saying I'll answer anything and everything. Okay, if I was gonna describe it, I would say
basically it's kind of more like this, and then if when it's really small, and then I'll do this, and then it's really hard, and this. So I'm like here, and I'm like, that doesn't make sense. And then it's over here, and I was like, wow, it's like here, it's bigger than this. I was saying that, I'm just doing about this.
But yeah, it's about that. Got any acting jobs coming up? Not solidly. I just did a couple of little things recently. I might have a couple of things in the pipeline. Nothing I can say right now, but solidly, not just yet. Nothing confirmed. I just need them to pick me. Please pick me. Do you have any kids? No. Well, not that I know about. What do you find attractive in a woman? Honestly, maturity. Maturity is such a big thing for me, because I think when it comes to kind of dating and stuff, I'm a bit of an old soul in that sense. I've just found to connect better with women who are actually older than me, ironically. But for me, main thing is about maturity, just being able to have those difficult conversations. If you're more mature, then you tend to be more open-minded and more understanding of people and different perspectives. Yeah, I really can't stand someone who's petty. Like, I can't stand it. Everybody's happy when everything's going well, right? But when you go through like a rough patch or an argument or whatever, I think how you handle that situation is really a testament to your character. For me, if someone can be mature in that sense, that is such an attractive trait for me. Obviously someone who could be playful, but maturity. What's the worst thing you've ever done? There's so many. No, I'm joking. What's the worst thing I've ever done? I'm not really much of a rebel. I was never a rebel in school. I was a bit of a goody two-shoes, so... Oh, I've got one, okay. I was the other guy in a marital affair. I know. Now, in my defense, she did tell me that they had separated. I thought that they were still legally married, but they were actually separated. I mean, every time I went to her apartment, in which I never saw him there, obviously, every time I went, it was spotless. Like, everything was exactly where it was last time, perfectly neat. Basically, it kind of looked like nobody lived in there. And I kind of thought that at one point, but I didn't think anything of it. I was like, nah, so what, doesn't matter. Now I'm like, yeah, that's because no one did live in there. That wasn't her home, that wasn't her house. Don't know why I thought that. Man, I was so naive then. Still now, to be honest. Have you ever had sex with a celebrity? Yes, I have. And I would tell you who it was, but I can't, because that wasn't the question. The question was, have I had sex with a celebrity? And the answer is, yes, I have. I would tell you, but you didn't ask who it was. So, and besides, a gentleman never tells. Nah, f it, should I tell you? Okay, it was describe yourself in one word. Bold. Yeah, I'd definitely say being bold. I think describes at least definitely an aspect of me. To be honest, it probably gets me into more trouble than actually helping me. But I'm not afraid to say what I think, and some people don't like that, and that's okay. that's part of life. Also think as well, being an actor, that kind of comes with the territory. Like, you kind of have to be bold in the industry to get anywhere. You know, you have to put yourself out there. So I think that comes with the territory. Who's your favorite Disney character? Mate, it's got to be my man Hercules. Hercules is the guy. He's a Greek god. Oh no, wait, he's the son of a Greek god. He has super strength, and in the movie he sings Go the Distance. I used to sing that all the time when I was a child. That was my song. I will find my way, I can go the distance. Love my boy Herc. He is so underrated. Are you religious? I mean, yes, in the sense that I believe in God, and like I was raised in a Christian family, but I'm kind of more spiritual than religious now. Like, I meditate a lot, and I'm kind of more about spirituality and, you know, the universe and stuff, as opposed to specific scripture. But I do believe in God, but I wouldn't say I'm the perfect Christian. What's your guilty pleasure? I will show you. Guilty pleasure in 3, 2, 1. There it is. I love cereal. Wow, I have a lot of Cheerios. Yep, cereal. I love it. Love it so much. Can't get enough. I used to have 3 bowls of cereal a day. I did. I'd have one in the morning for breakfast. I would have one when I got back from school. Bearing in mind I'd already had lunch. Then I'd have dinner. Then I'd have another one before bed. Ricicles was my demon. What drama school did you go to? I went to Mount View Academy of Theatre Arts in North London. Well, South London now. They literally just moved. Yeah, it was good. A lot of fun there. And it's put me in good stead for my career. So, guy celebrity crush. Huh. I don't think I have a celebrity crush on a guy. You know what? Okay, if it had to be someone, it would be Trey Songz. Because, one, he's just so cool. He's a very good looking guy. Super talented. Like, every time he sings, people just want to have sex to his songs. You hear his voice and you're like, I'm about to die. We're about to get so wet. Like, I would look like him. Thing is, he's one of those guys as well where he can pull anything off, from a shaved head to full hair to hats. Like, he can do it. If you could be on any TV show, what would it be? Oh, I know it. I would want to be on Billions, because Paul Giamatti is one of the best actors in the world. Like, he is definitely top 5 in the world for me right now. He is so under the radar, it's crazy. Billions is insane. Damon Lewis is great. The whole cast are amazing, but Paul Giamatti, truly exceptional. My favorite actor right now. And that brings us to the end of the Q&A. Again, guys, thank you so much for 500 subs. That honestly means a lot. So I'm gonna continue putting out more content and stuff, and I want you guys to really let me know what kind of stuff do you want to start seeing more as well. So thank you for tuning in, and as always, keep it slick. How?